So you have successfully removed the Aero or Gemini wheel covers from your Tesla. First, congrats. You're now staring at your beautiful original rims. But what's next? Do you leave them bare, let them bask in their natural glory, or do you take things up a notch? Well, today, I'll show you two great options. One to keep your rims fully exposed, and one that enhance both style and performance while offering protection. Option 1 is pretty straightforward. You grab a lug nut and the wheel center cover kit. This option lets you showcase your original rims, giving your Tesla a sportier look. But there's a trade-off. Removing the original wheel covers exposes your rims to potential curb rash, dirt, and damage. Plus, you lose some aerodynamic efficiency, which means less range. It's great for aesthetics, but maybe not ideal for someone who shared a car with a curb racer, aka Nikki, my wife, my lifelong companion, my better half, who, on her first time driving our brand new Tesla Model Y, introduced the curb to our rims in a way I'll never forget. You ever notice how driving a non-performance Tesla makes you feel inadequate? There's a cheap way to fix that. First of all, what you want to do is get the Aero or Gemini wheel covers right off there. Throw that away. Next, get yourself these Uberturbine wheel covers here. Oh, and don't forget to underline that dual motor badge in red to seal the deal. As for the spoiler, let's not spoil it. But jokes aside, there's actually a practical reason to upgrade your wheel covers. Option 2, my favorite, is to upgrade to aftermarket wheel covers that not only protect your rims, but also enhance both aesthetics and performance. Here's what makes this stand out compared to the original covers. First, they include foam padding. This protects your rims from scratches during installation. I've always worried about those inevitable scratches when removing and reinstalling original wheel covers, but with these, that's a concern of the past. Second, the aerodynamic design is more aggressive, optimizing efficiency similar to the stock covers, while also drawing inspiration from the original 21-inch Uberturbine wheels on the performance Tesla Model Y. This means you get a sportier aesthetic without compromising range. Third, unlike the original wheel covers, this fully covers your rims including the outer edge, offering a layer of protection against curb rash. Let's be honest, if you ever experienced the hot sinking scrape of a curb kiss, you know how much this matters. Trust me, I've been there, on the passenger side. It was the first and last time I let Nikki drive. Honestly, I wish I had this sooner, before knowing Nikki. The good news? These covers do a great job of hiding mistakes pretty well. For me, the choice was simple. I love trying new things, but I also like to keep my stuff in top shape for as long as possible. It's the same reason I slap a screen protector on the Tesla touchscreen. It's all about protection, without compromising style. Though I admit, I sometimes worry about the screen protector too, which kind of defeats the purpose. But hey, as they say, if you take care of something, it will last a long time. Now let me show you how easy it is to install these wheel covers. First, add foam protection to the outer edge inside the wheel cover, and to other clips to keep your rims scratch-free and help minimize noise while driving. Optionally, apply the Tesla wheel cover center logo for a more polished look. Identify the valve stem cutout and check the orientation marked on the inside of the wheel cover. L for the left rim and R for the right rim. Finally, install the cover on the rims by aligning the valve stem cutout with the valve stem. Push the center of the wheel cover in first to make the installation easier. Then press each clip securely into place. To remove, use the included removal tool for an easier process, as these wheel covers fit more snugly than the original ones. If you need a more in-depth tutorial on safely removing and installing Tesla wheel covers, I got 2 full videos, one for the Tesla Model 3 and one for the Tesla Model Y. Be sure to check them out. But what about noise? On the highway, they are just as quiet as the original, if not better, thanks to the added foam protection. No wheel vibrations or extra sounds, just smooth sailing. And as for efficiency, these covers are designed with aerodynamics in mind, similar to the original Tesla Uberturbine wheels, but without the added weight of the full-size 21-inch wheels. Specifically designed for the 19-inch wheels, they enhance aerodynamic efficiency by reducing drag and turbulence, leading to improved range. Studies on both Tesla aftermarket and OEM wheel covers suggest they can increase efficiency by up to 5% at highway speed, 60 plus miles per hour, by lowering the drag coefficient of the wheels, which directly reduce energy consumption. But let's be real, efficiency isn't the only reason to upgrade. You also get the high performance, I'm not driving a base model anymore look, without a hefty price tag of the performance model. Plus, you're protecting your rims from curb rash while still keeping that sleek Tesla aesthetic. It's the best of both worlds, because honestly, who wants to drive around feeling like the inadequate sibling in the Tesla family? So to recap, you can showcase your Tesla rim with a lug nut kit and sacrifice efficiency, or you can upgrade to a better wheel cover that protect your rims, boost aerodynamics, and looks amazing, while also protecting your rims from future foreseen curb collisions. For me, it was an easy choice, and I think Nikki agrees.